fix WhatsApp waiting for this message issue on iPhone. If you've been using WhatsApp and encountered the waiting for this message issue on your iPhone, you're not alone. This can be really frustrating, especially if you're trying to access important messages. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix this problem and get WhatsApp back to working properly. So let's get started. One of the first things to check is your internet connection. WhatsApp relies on a stable network to receive messages. If you're on Wi Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. You can simply try toggling off and then on again the Wi-Fi network to refresh the connection. Once you've checked the connection, open WhatsApp again and see if the issue is resolved. Now, if not, sometimes a simple restart can do wonders for apps that aren't behaving correctly. First, force close WhatsApp. Simply swipe up and like this. Now reopen WhatsApp and check if the messages sync. If that doesn't work, try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume up until the slider appears. Slide to turn it off and wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Another common fix is ensuring that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. App updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements, so it's always a good idea to keep WhatsApp up to date. Here's how to check for updates. Open the App Store on your iPhone and simply search for WhatsApp. And if there's an update available, simply update it. Finally, if none of the above method works, you can try reinstalling WhatsApp. Here's how you can do that. Simply press and hold the WhatsApp button until they try to jiggle. Now simply click on minus and click on delete app. And once you've deleted it, open App Store again and simply reinstall it. And that's it. I hope these tips help you resolve the waiting for this message issue on WhatsApp.